You've recently got your Salesforce CRM license, and now you're all pumped up to get the best out of it. I'm here to help you exactly with that. Hello, I'm Shrey, and this is Getting Started with Salesforce. In today's video or in today's demo, I'll guide you step by step on how to capture your leads in Salesforce directly from your website without any technical expertise. By the end of this video, you'll have all your website leads automatically captured in your Salesforce CRM. Let's get started. So imagine this is the form through which your prospects or leads submit their interest. All what you want is whenever someone submits the form, the data should directly be captured in your Salesforce CRM. We'll have to go to Setup, and in the search, we'll have to search Web to Lead. Click on it. In most orgs, Web to Lead is already enabled. If it is not enabled in yours, then just click Edit and enable the same. After enabling it and saving it, click on Create Web to Lead Form button, which is here. Now just add the fields which you want to capture the data from or the data in on the right side over here. So over here, we're adding first name, last name, email, phone number, and company name. After that, add a return URL. You can add any URL over here which you like, or if you want to add the same URL on which the lead form exists, you can do that too. Or if you have a thank you page on your website, you can add that also over here. You just have to add the URL of the page on which the users should be redirected to once they submit the form. That's all what this means. Now, we're not enabling the reCAPTCHA or anything, but if you want to, you can just hit click over here and then do the same. Right now, we're just going to uncheck it and then go forward. Now we'll hit generate. Now over here, you can see a complete form is created in the HTML format that can be added into the lead form. So all what you need to do is just copy the code which got generated over here and paste it into any notepad file or anything that you want to on your computer. And just save it with a .html extension. And then just open the file. Now this is how the file looks like, or this is how the form actually looks like. But you don't want it to look like this, right? So all what we'll have to do is we'll have to check out the code, and in the code there are some key things that we have to add onto the lead form that I showed you earlier. Let's open the HTML code first, and in that you have to look into all of these things, right? So everything is clearly given over here. So you have to add this tag in the meta description of the page or of the form that you have from which you want to capture the leads. And then we have the form tag, and in the form tag we have all of these things written down. You just have to copy and paste it into the form that you have. And then there are some input hidden fields that are also there, so you just add all of them as well. Now here are the fields that we have added, from the lead form that we want the information to be captured into, like the first name, the last name, the email, the company, all of this. So we'll copy all of these labels and we'll just add these same labels as well as the input tags into the lead form that we have. If you do not know how to do that, all what you need to do is whosoever has created your website, just pass on these code to them, and then they'll be able to add it into your website form, or then they'll be able to incorporate it into the website form. And once they incorporate all of those things into the website form, any data that gets submitted through that form on your website, all of that data will be directly captured into your Salesforce CRM or into your Salesforce org directly without doing anything. So that's all. I mean, that's exactly how you'll have to do so. Let's see this into action. Now I've added all of this information into the form that we created earlier. Now we'll just submit a lead using this form. I'll enter the information, first name, last name, email, phone number, company, and then just hit submit. Now let's go to the Salesforce org again, click on the leads tab, and inside the leads tab, I'll open all the leads and see all the information that I added in that web page is submitted over here. And that's exactly how you have to do it for your own website or lead submission form. And that's how easy it is to capture all your leads directly from your website in your Salesforce org. Make sure to stay tuned for more such getting started with Salesforce videos. Liked what you saw? Well, there's a lot more, and I can send you a curated playlist of trending topics, Salesforce updates, and training essentials. Join our newsletter and get your weekly package of exclusive Salesforce content straight to your inbox. The link is in the description. Don't miss out.